I bet you have an opinion on AI. Most of us do. As a small business owner, I think that we need to be figuring out how to use AI to help ourselves. How can we work smarter? How can we burn out less? What tools does AI have that are specific to our needs? Today, I'm going to share with you one of the tools that I have used to help myself with a specific task that I do every month. My hope is that this makes you investigate tools that may be out there that can help you with your task. I got certified by Google as an AI certified professional, and in this, they introduced me to Google Studio. So let's go look at what I did here. So here is Google's AI Studio. I'm not going to overwhelm you with all the things that it can do. I just want to share you one of the apps that I personally created just by putting some thoughts down and having the studio build it for me. I work with a client and I do his newsletter for him every month, and the family sends him pictures that they've taken on their Apple iPhones. Apple has its own um, format for how it sends pictures. It's .heic, which are great. They're nice, sharp pictures, but I can't use the HEIC in the program that builds the newsletters. So I needed them changed into another format that could be used online. I chose JPEG because I didn't want large file sizes. And I also thought about the fact that I wanted file sizes that were no larger than 600 megapixels wide, because that's about how wide a general email is at its widest point. So there's no point in having big, sharp pictures that I could use on billboards for this particular project. So in the Google Studio here, you can see the apps that I have created, and this one is HEIC to JPEG. And you can see here what I started with. I have a client that sends me the high efficiency image. I need these converted to JPEGs that are no more than 600 megapixels, so I need an app. And then hit enter. And it started thinking, installed, it had edited 2 files. It said, I've built this for you. This application will allow you to do one picture at a time, automatic resizing, everything that I needed. And then it asked, because one of the things that I learned about AI is that it needs to be a conversation. Don't accept the first thing that it gives you. It's kind of like a toddler. It's going to give you not the best answer the first time. So make it a conversation and refine. In this case, it suggested, so if I go down, to allow you want me to add functionality and allow users to select and convert multiple HEICs at once. So I was like, yes, that sounds like a great idea. So it updated. Now, when my client sends me these HEIC files, I download them to my computer, and then I select all of them and drag and drop them here, and it automatically converts them to the JPEGs that I wanted, and with the right size. And I can either download all of them at the same time back in a zip folder, or I still can get them back one at a time, so then I don't have to extract and spend the time to do that. I already could change those files to a JPEG. I could go in. I used Dropbox. I downloaded them, and Dropbox did save as and save as a JPEG. But this saved me time each month and made me more efficient. That I didn't have to go do all of those one at a time. And it also did the added convenience, better file sizes of making them the smaller 600 megapixels wide, so that they were usable immediately in this monthly newsletter. It's been great for me, and I never would have paid somebody to create this app for me. So it is something that I can use on my own to make me work smarter.
I'm going to share with you a few of the other things that I'm using AI for throughout the month, but I wanted to start with this one because I wanted you to think and maybe reply. What could you create for yourself? Something that you do maybe every month, every week, that if you could have something that would change it for you, or one of the things that they had us do here was to suggest different seasonal style promptings. I need, ideas for post and based on the seasons. And I put in what season it was, and it would come up with different posts for a business.
So there you go. The app that I created just by voicing an idea. Do you have any ideas for an app that maybe can help you with one of your projects that you do, every month, every week or so? Give me some ideas of what you have tried with Google Studio or what you think you might try. My name is Ellen McDowell-Sherrouse, and I would love to chat with you about your marketing and how you can make sure that you have a complete life cycle for your clients and where we might need to build that up, where maybe we can put a little AI magic into your work processes too. Looking forward to chatting soon.